Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3, Unit 1, Lesson 4, Extreme Living.
Welcome to Eyes Open 3, B1 learners, designed especially for 9th grade. Open up your students' books to Unit 1, Extreme Living. Page 15, Reading. A magazine article. Section 1. Work with a partner. Look at the photo and answer the questions. Number 1. Where do you think this place is? Number 2. What do you think is special about it? If you answer that the place is in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, excellent job. Number 2, what do you think is so special about it? It is the remotest inhabited island on the planet.
CD 1, Track 14. Listen to the article. The remotest inhabited island on Earth. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, more than 4,000 kilometers from the nearest land, is the remotest inhabited island on the planet. It is also a volcanic island. To get there, you need to travel for 5 or 6 days on a ship from Cape Town in South Africa. Tristan da Cunha is a British territory, named after the Portuguese explorer who discovered the island. The official language is English, but London is almost 10,000 kilometers away. The British monarch is the head of state, and they use British pounds as their currency. The island is home to 80 families, about 250 people in total. The island is only 10 kilometers long, and there is one town with only one school. This is the only place on the island with an internet connection. In October 1961, the island's volcano erupted, and the whole population went to live in the UK. They got jobs and new homes, but they didn't like the lifestyle there and missed their life on the island. They found it very hard to live in a society where money is the most important thing. So, in November 1962, they returned to Tristan da Cunha. They were happier without television, cars, and the stress of modern life. Fact: Queen Mary Peak, the volcano in the middle of the island, is 2,000 meters high, and it's active.
Section 3. Read the article again and complete the information, the first one being done for you. Approximate distance from the mainland in kilometers is 4,000 kilometers. The official island language is English. Very good job. The approximate distance from London in kilometers is how many? 10,000. Very good. The number of families on the island, if you answer 80, excellent job. The length of the island in kilometers is approximately 10. Very good job. Number of schools, there is one school on the island. The month and year that the volcano erupted on the island is October 1961. Excellent. Explore. Prepositional phrases. Section 4. Find the phrases on the article and complete these using in or on prepositions. Number 1 is done for you. On Earth. Number 2, in or on the middle. If you answered in the middle, a very good job. Number 3, on or in the planet. If you use on the planet, very nicely done. Number 4, on or in a ship. If you chose on, nicely done. Number 5, in or on total. If you put in, very good. Number 6, on or in the island. If you chose on, very good job. Special fact: Queen Mary Peak, the volcano in the middle of the island, is 2,000 meters high and it's active. Would you live on an island with a volcano in the middle of the island, knowing that it is active? Go ahead and take out your notebooks, the brown notebook, and write a paragraph explaining whether you would or would not want to live on this island with the active volcano. Make sure 7 to 10 sentences are in your paragraph. I look forward to seeing your paragraphs. Now open your workbook pages 11. Reading. Section 1. Read the text about Matt Sutter. What unusual thing happened to him? How old was he at the time of the incident? Number 2. Match the words in the box with the definitions. Use the words in bold in the text to help you. Section 3. Read the text again. Put the events in order. Section 4. Read the text again. Are these sentences true or false? Correct the false sentences. Section 5. Imagine Matt is getting a TV interview. Write at least 5 questions and answer each of those questions in your notebook, please. Make sure you write the date. And once you have completed these tasks, go ahead and complete the quiz underneath this video lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.